Father spoke to me concerning his chosen ones after a hard liquid fast. I'm sending help, I'm sending my hidden, preserved ones out, and others, some already been sent, already in sending them to buy to ahead of me to every town and place where I was about to go, and sending you out like lambs among wolves. When you enter a house, say peace to this house. If someone who recognize your peace will rest on them, but if not, it will return back to you. Heal the sick who are there, and tell them the kingdom of Yah has come near to you. But if they reject you, then they rejects me, the one who sent you, is what I heard. Yeshua spoke to me today.